everybody, my name is Pakgi Doke and I read in class 3 and I study at UKV Bihar, Itanagar. So today I will tell you about Ellen Fisher. Ellen Fisher was born in 1906 at 9 September. So he is a great poet and he has written many poems, and when I read in class 1 and also class 2, they also have the poems written by Ellen Fisher. Ellen Fisher is a famous American poet and it has written almost 1,000 poets and poems, and I just like him because his poems are very nice. I always like it. 1, 2, 3. This is the one poem that he has written, as you can see, and it's the bird talk. Let me read out this poem. Think said the robin, think said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Think said the robin, think said the jay, aren't people funny to be that way? So this is a very fun story, as I have also read out for you. And it has a picture of birds, and birds is telling about the people, and this is very fun. If you're a class 3, you can read this.